Very good morning, Students, today we will start a new chapter and the name of the chapter is Garbage In, Garbage Out. So student, in this chapter we will study about what is waste material or garbage and what are the different kinds of waste. Now student, come to the first topic, that is dealing with garbage. So student, here is one question. What do you do when your pencil becomes too small to write? Obviously, you throw it away, right students? Okay, if you eat a chips, right, after that, what you do with the chips empty packet? Simply, you throw it in the dustbin because it is of no use anymore. So student, those material which are of no further use and are therefore thrown away are called garbage or waste material. Right student? So students, you know the tons of garbage and is generated by us on a daily basis. So garbage is often associated with a pungent smell and a large amount of garbage may release fumes, so which are not healthy. So students, we put such items in dustbin to be taken to far away places so that our surroundings are clean and healthy. Student, here one term is used, that is landfill. What is a landfill? Student, you have seen the Safai Karmcharis in your locality. So you have seen that Safai Karmchari take the garbage from the bins, right? So student, where does the garbage go and what happened to it? So you will see that Safai Karmcharis collect the garbage in trucks and take it to a low-lying open area, which we called it landfill. So when they are the part of the garbage that can be reused and it is separated out from the one that cannot be used as such. Like you have seen the young children who are working as a rag pickers, right friends? So you have seen that they collect polythene, cans, plastic bottles, right? So the garbage has both useful and non-useful components. So the non-useful component which is separated out, right, and it is then spread over the landfill and then it is covered with a layer of soil. So once the landfill is completely full, then it is usually converted into park or a playground. Student, next topic is classification of waste or different kinds of waste. Students, you have seen like in dustbin like peels of fruit, bread or chapatis which rot, whereas tin or cans or plastic bags, pens, scale, it remain as such and do not rot, right? So why did the appearance of certain material change? So student, this is because all microorganism which is present in the air, it acted on these substances and decomposed them into simpler substances. So student, microorganisms are also called decomposers. So on the basis of their ability to get decomposed, waste can be divided into two groups. What are these two groups? These are biodegradable waste and non-biodegradable waste. Start with the biodegradable waste. So student, biodegradable waste, it is acted upon by microorganism and it decomposes into simpler substances. For example, you have seen like vegetable peels, tea leaves, dried leaves, paper, bread. So these all are what? These all are the example of biodegradable waste. And student, biodegradable waste can be reused and recycled. Now, non-biodegradable waste. So these waste does not decompose and it remain as such for a long time. For example, polythene bag, you have seen metal object, glass bottles, iron nails, switches, etc. So these are the example of non-biodegradable waste and this waste that cannot be reused. Now student, we will study about composting. What is a composting? Student, degradation of garbage by the action of a microorganisms to convert into manure, it is called composting. And student, composting can be done at homes, in parks or in field. Now student, in some cities and towns, like basically you have seen at in your area also, like municipalities provide separate dustbin for collecting two kinds of garbage, right? Usually one is colored blue and the other green. So student, in the blue bin, it is for those material which can be used again or which can be recycled. For example, plastic, metals and glass, right? And the green bins are for collecting kitchen and other plant or animal waste. So have you noticed garbage heap of dried leaves on the roadside? Or you have seen farmers too often burn the husk, dried leaves and part of a crop plants in their fields after harvesting. So student, burning of these produces smoke and gases which are harmful to our health, and it means that it causing pollution. So burning also spoil a part of the land and makes it unfit for growth of plants. So student, a better way to get rid of plant waste is to make compost out of it. So thank you students and have a wonderful day.